What is going on, awesome people? Today's video is on the recent AI flood of content, right? I don't need to go into detail, I feel, about what AI videos are, right? Basically just reposted, rewatched content, or they title it, "This video is going to change your life," and then you watch it and you're like, I didn't learn anything, right? So seriously though, guys, the issue got so bad to the point where YouTube themselves last month made a new rule that said AI channels will not be monetized anymore. We will not pay them money because businesses basically realized all of the views and all of the likes are bots, right? They make these AI channels make a bunch of videos, they flood our feeds on YouTube, and then they just bought a bunch of views, likes, and comments to where they're ranked to the top. And it's gotten so sad though, because there are thousands of subliminals or affirmation videos being stolen by AIs, and then they re-upload it and get a bunch of bot views and likes to where the AI stolen subliminal or affirmations are now ranked at the top, and the real person that created those affirmations or the video is forgotten in history, washed away in history. And it's not just subliminals. There's a lot of other, niches in YouTube where their content's being stolen by AI, and then they use bots to rank it to the top, and then the real human being is lost in history. Or even worse, we have real, veterinarians that, like, for example, or lawyers or whatever field. They want to upload content, right? Let's say the veterinarian for your dog or your cat. This has been viewed by human beings to make sure it's accurate, to make sure it's safe. But because they're a brand new YouTube channel, they are just suffocating to the bottom of the algorithms with all this AI botted, right, content. And they don't even have a chance. It's the brutally honest truth that I hate to say. I hate to say it, but it's the truth. They don't even have a chance right now. And copyright-free music is no longer copyright free, right? Because the copyright free creators got so tired of this AI flood just using their songs, where me and other real creators are having to suffer and deal with disputes now that they're creating now, because they don't want anyone to use their content anymore, their copyright free music anymore. So now we're suffering, the real creators. And it's like, what is the answer, right? Are we supposed to, the real human beings, when we have original and unique ideas that people haven't seen before, are we supposed to use bots to rank our original content to the top and then just allow people to decide, do they want to watch original videos that have been botted to the top, or just watch AI videos that have been botted to the top, to where they now have a decision when they actually log into their YouTube channels? Because that's how bad it's gotten, right? To where, like I said, a lot of days I don't even want to go on YouTube because I know I won't find any original ideas or unique content to actually learn new things or see new things, besides when the big names on YouTube release like new videos. But if I don't want to watch new videos from the big names, that's where we're at, right? It's like it's near impossible to find an original idea anymore, because all of the original ideas are being drowned to the bottom with this flood. What are you guys' thoughts on this, right? It's very, very unique, and we still are waiting for an answer from YouTube. So have a great day, guys.